So there are a lot of things to talk about today. I does not mean that there are a lot of things that happened today. I think there are two to three things that I can talk about today. And so these are like yesterday what I left because I did not try to it in my diary because I am kind of bit lazy. So it feels frustrating to me to write. Therefore, I am recording this. I think I should keep my channel private, but as I am seeing that there are more or less no views, so I don't think anyone of is watching. So it's good. Let it be public cause it gives I don't know why and how, but it gives me a positive vibe that I am doing something. Mm, Making my videos private does not make sense to me. Like I don't know why. So first of all, talking about yesterday, so I went to the center of PW at Saket Vidyapeeth. There I came to know that first of all around 4 p.m. I called the helpline number of their team, and they said to me first of majorly only one of their numbers worked properly, and the others were just their ringtones were going on, but no one was receiving the call. And like for 2 to 3 minutes, no one was there to receive the call. And then one helpline number that was given on the batch, I contacted there, and one person contacted me, and he said to me that your orientation is scheduled for today for around 5:45 p.m. Of course, that if a customer care helpline from that particular company is saying I paid blue, I agreed to it. So I went there, and but nothing happened. Unfortunately, nothing happened, and my time got wasted. I booked my Rapido, my money got wasted. So nothing useful. But tomorrow is confirmed that maybe I really hoping that tomorrow will be my orientation day because now they have contacted me. Now they have contacted me by now they have already sent it a WhatsApp message including room number and etc. to me for the orientation class that would be held tomorrow on 7th of April. Today is 6th of April. Around again the time is 11:49 today. And the another thing that I was gonna talk about is the things that I faced at my friend's home and how I and what I think about this. And another thing is about National Youth Parliament. So first of all, let's talk about what I saw in my friend's house. I'm not taking names because if somehow he watches it, then I don't know what would happen. So not taking names because the channel is private. So so not taking names. Today I and my one of my friends went. Both of us went to his home to take him to the park, just to like gossip, just for normal gossips. But his father was there, and he stopped us. And then for just to talk. Then we started talking. Then he told us that his son, that means my friend, told him to about which coaching institute that he wants to go, and not taking the I can take the name of the institute, that was Akash Institute, that his son wanted to go. But as you know that the fees is very like this institute is costly, and one of my friends is going there. So he said that he also wants to go there, but unfortunately their family conditions was not up to right, and they couldn't afford that much fees for a single year. And then what I saw there was my friend who was there, who wanted to go to Akash, who said to his father, he's like a real introvert, like really not. I th- I think it is foolishness to say this term as introvert, because this is not being introvert. You are not expressing yourself, and that's not a good thing. And because that's what where I am here for, just to learn to how can I express myself, how can I be proactive in things, provocative. I don't know what is the good term to say here. And for these things I am here recording things. So he getting ready. He starts to get ready. I thought that he would come with us to the park, but he went to the bathroom, then washroom, and we thought that like uh, he would be out in some time, but time keeps going, time flows on, and we just waited. He didn't come. Then his parents told us that whenever he wants to do, whenever he does not agree to something or do something, like we don't agree, he just went to the bathroom and does not and do not care about the world, like don't give a fuck about what others are waiting and everything. So then his parents shouted at him like a little bit, and they scolded him. And we thought that now after 15 minutes we left the house, because we thought that we are making the things more complicated, so we should get out, and we got out. But the thing that I noticed there was that the boy was around 17, same age, same as me. We were together, but the introverts see that the fear of not being confident, the fear to express, the fear not to express himself in front of everyone is still scary. Is that much scary that he couldn't. I just saw that if I that still if I just saw that if I won't improve myself, then I could be this in some time. Like for now, by God's grace, I'm not that bad. Like I can express, but not in front of everyone. Like he couldn't even express himself in front of his family, but I can. I really can, but I cannot express myself in front of my relatives. That is the words. That is the thing. And the person who does not speak anything and just goes to a place and sits there, speaks nothing, this is not a good thing to do. You should be socially active, proactive, whatever. So I just got information that I got a reason that why I should go there. And now another thing about the National Youth Parliament, and another thing another thing about the National Youth Parliament. So I came to know about this today. I was just searching over YouTube about the things, and I got to know about that there is something called National Youth Parliament that is being held in India from 2019, since 2019, and it is a thing like where candidates or students from all over India dresses up like member of parliaments and share their thoughts on like some common things, issues, and speech, and present their speeches towards it. The like women empowerment and other things, coaching industries and other things. And they are popular. Like not the students, but what they say becomes popular. They and like what I thought in the mind of myself of me being socially active, proactive, like being a diplomat, saying in front of everyone, in front of a large audience. I think I could do it by going there. I don't know how to go there, but I think that this is a way. This could be a way to achieve what I want. This could be one of the ways. So first of all, I thought that I should go there. Then I thought that I currently I do not have any specific communication skills. Like I'm worst. I'm one of the worst at this. So firstly, I should improve myself. I thought this. I should improve my knowledge, and I got the reason that like I got my destination. That I have to go there. I have to go there. Camera angle. nahi. I have to go there. Before I had not any like destination that where I wanted to go. Now I want to go there. I just have to find a correct way path, and then I have to follow that particular path. Now let's see, by God's grace, I want that to fulfill that path. Another thing, today was Ram Navami. No, today, today was it? Yeah, today was Ram Navami. We did Havan today at the morning. This day, that today was spiritually a good day. Just it. Spiritually a good day. About the National Youth Parliament, what I was saying, just this. I think I should go there, but for now, I should increase my knowledge for in different fields, and like I should improve my English communication skills to be able to speak in the SSB interview that will be held after the NDA written examination, and I hope that I would pass that written examination and score 90%, 95%, 95% and plus in my JEE mains in January attempt. Academics is still not good. Like I did not studied. At the end of the day, I just sat there, listened to songs, and wrote down a few pages, and just felt कि I did something, but in reality I did nothing. Tomorrow I will go to school. Tomorrow morning I will go to school. I wish that I will keep you updated with this. For now, it's been 11 minutes and 30 seconds. Goodbye. I mean bye. 31 seconds. 32. 30.